Hello everyone, I'm Wang Xingxing, a PhD student in Business Administration in City University of Malaysia. Today I'm really excited to share our research with you. It's called Cultural Identity, Quality Trust, and Customer Loyalty in Regional Agricultural Brands. The mediating role of customer satisfaction and the moderating role of switching cost, evidence from Gannan Navel Orange. To ground our study, let's first recognize the strategies weight of regional agricultural brands in today's global market. Regional agricultural brands like Gannan, Navel, Orange are essential to China's rural revitalization strategy. Despite strong brand recognition, low repurchase rates, and the satisfaction paradox higher loyalty, Gannan Navel Orange supports over 1 million jobs and generates more than 20.2 billion yuan annually. This study addresses the loyalty gap using a dual perspective, cultural and quality dimensions. With the context in mind, let's now focus on the research questions. How do cultural identity and quality trust influence customer loyalty in regional agricultural brands? What is the mediating role of customer satisfaction between cultural or quality dimension and loyalty? That switching cost moderates the relationship between satisfaction and customer loyalty. These questions guide the theoretical and empirical framework of the study. Building on this, now I will introduce the significance of the study. The study offers theoretical advancement by integrating emotional and quality-based drivers of loyalty. It explains the satisfaction paradox through a dual path model in agricultural brand context. Practically, it provides strategies for regional brand managers to enhance customer retention. It emphasizes marketing solutions such as cultural storytelling and quality assurance systems. Now let's shift our attention to conceptual model overview. The model includes 5 main constructs: cultural identity, quality trust, customer satisfaction, customer loyalty, and switching cost. Cultural identity and quality trust influence satisfaction, which then affects loyalty. Switching cost moderates the satisfaction-loyalty relationship by strengthening or weakening it. All paths are visually depicted through directional arrows in the conceptual diagram, which you can see from this slide. That leads us to the next key point, the hypothesis summary. H1 and H2 propose that cultural identity and quality trust positively impact customer satisfaction. H3 states that customer satisfaction significantly enhances customer loyalty. H4 and H5 predict that satisfaction mediates the effects of cultural identity and quality trust on loyalty. H6 poses that switching cost moderates the satisfaction-loyalty relationship. Now let's move to the case selection and the context. Gannan Navel Orange was selected due to its iconic status in Jiangxi's agriculture industry. It represents a mature regional brand with a strong cultural and quality identity. Consumers in Jiangxi have high familiarity with the product and its oranges. This enhances the contextual relevance and validity, validity, validity of the study findings. Now let's shift our attention to the data connection process. Data were collected using mixed sampling across both online platforms and offline markets. 343 valid questionnaires were obtained from the cities Nanchang, Ganzhou, and Jiujiang. The survey period aligned with the peak sales season from October 2024 to January 2025. Digital platforms like WeChat and Taobao accounted for the majority of purchases. Now let's move to the measurement and analysis tools. Variables were measured using validated scales adapted to the Jiangxi context. Smart PLS4 was employed to conduct PLS SEM to path modeling and hypothesis testing. Reliability and validity were confirmed through Krobakis alpha, AVE, and HTMT ratios. Mediation and moderation were tested through bootstrapping and multi-ground analysis. That leads us to the next key point, our key findings. Cultural identity and quality trust significantly influence customer satisfaction. Satisfaction fully mediates their effects on customer loyalty, confirming strong indirect paths. Switching costs stressed the satisfaction loyalty relationship, especially in high-cost scenarios. The model explains 68% of the variance in customers' loyalty, showing high predictive power. Here is our discussion and implications. The study offers a dual-driven loyalty model combining emotional and affectional brand attributes. It highly satisfaction as a psychological bridge, linking identity and trust to loyalty. Managers should invest in cultural branding, quality traceability, and switching cost strategies. Online channels should be optimized to enhance engagement and long-term retention. That leads us to the last key point, conclusion and future research. This study advanced understanding of loyalty in regional agricultural branding through a holistic model. It confirms that satisfaction mediates and switch cost moderates the loyalty for formation process. Future research could explore additional variables such as brand familiarity or longitudinal behavior. Cross-regional studies could enhance generalizability and inform broader agriculture marketing policies. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your intention. Thank you very much.